BankservAfrica says lower transaction volumes in February in the banking sector reflect multiple economic challenges facing the economy. These include load shedding, logistical challenges, and ports. The study points to rising inflation on the back of a higher fuel price and a weaker rand. It says lower economic growth has put a lid on economic transaction.
It's even too low for our population growth, but it's also way too low for us to address our social economic challenges and our high unemployment rate. So, if this low growth rate has not already propelled everybody into action, to get the right policies in place and to start implementing, I want to ask what growth rate will, because it's already too low and it's not serving the South African population to grow at these rates.
The oil price is expected to remain elevated at around $82 per barrel for the remainder of the year. And to combat a higher inflation print going forward, the rand will have to strengthen.
We forecast that the oil price will be on average in the order of $82 per barrel, very much where we are currently. So unless there's any new geopolitical events or risks playing out, it seems like we could be at these levels for a prolonged period. On the one side, yes, we've got some supply disruptions due to the Middle East conflict. But on the other hand, the longer we see, for instance, international interest rates remaining high, the more that results in lower oil demand among the big users like the US and the Chinese economy. So from that point of view, supply and demand seem to be finding a balance around the current level in terms of price of about $82 per barrel. So unfortunately, the rand remains also fairly weak at this point in time, close to 19 rand to the dollar. We need to see an alleviation of those levels to bring down the rand price of oil and to hopefully see, some fuel price drops towards the end of the year.
However, BankServ expects international rates in the latter half of the year to decline, which could boost local currency and moderate headline inflation. This could make a strong case for the Reserve Bank to cut interest rates as well. Mpumelelo Maphalala, SABC News, Johannesburg.